Hey folks, welcome to Testing Hacks. Let's understand what is retesting, and it is one of the basic and essential need for any tester to understand what is retesting. Before we go ahead with retesting, if you have not watched the video related to STLC, software testing lifecycle, I will leave the link in the description box. Please go check out before watching retesting. Let's begin. Retesting is a process of testing of a particular bug after it has been fixed. As the name suggests, we are performing a task again. So, as the name suggests, it is just the retesting. It is a process of testing the particular bug after it has been fixed. When a tester raises the bug found while testing, the product or its component will be assigned to the developer and he will fix that bug. So, post that, fixing that bug, it will be assigned back to the tester for its verification. So, this is when retesting occurs, and this phase is called as retesting. So, you have logged a bug in simple terms, you have logged a bug and you have assigned it to a developer, and now he is fixing it and he changes the status to in progress, and then once after it gets fixed he will assign it back to you saying that this bug has been fixed, so you can go ahead and retest it. Once it is in retesting phase, you will go and again validate the particular fix. Retesting is done by replicating the same scenario with the same set of data in new build. So there is a slight difference. What it meant here is, so you are performing the same set of task, which is you are executing the same test case, same scenario you are performing with same set of data, but with the new version or new build. So the older software version was having a defect, so you have raised a bug for it. So once after it is given back to you, so you will get it in a new build. So that's where you will be testing that. So basically, the test cases which was failed earlier will be tested to ensure that the issue has been fixed and is working as expected. So let's understand this through an example. We have a page here, so which is having serial number, account title, email, gender, city, course, status, action. So and all the data is also present in this table. So let me take an example here. Say here we have a delete button. Upon click of delete, that particular data or particular row is not getting deleted. So that is clearly visible on the UI, right? So you are able to see that the data still exists in the table. So that is actually a defect. So you will go back and log a defect using any of the testing tools. Once after you have raised it and assign it to a developer, once after he fixes it, so you will again come back to the same application and the same page, and you will perform the same action, same set of action, that is you will again click on delete, and you will check that whether that particular record is getting deleted from the table or not. So this simple process is known as retesting. Retesting confirms that the issue is fixed and it is working as expected, and it improves the quality of the application or the product. So this is all about retesting. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.